Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca. And today we have a full house, but one of the interesting vehicles, one of the most interesting vehicles that we've seen this year and last is this 2022 Rolls-Royce Ghost, finished in a beautiful black color with an absolutely insanely vivid orange interior. So I'm just gonna show you here, that's the back seat. That's what makes a Rolls-Royce a Rolls-Royce. This is the interior. And you're gonna ask, what did we do to this car? So what we put on this car was an Autowatch Ghost. So yes, the Ghost is equipped with a Ghost. And we did a Thinkware U3000 PRO front and rear dash camera with the TWA LTE connectivity module. So for those of you who are not aware, the TWA LTE connectivity module makes the Thinkware U3000 PRO connect to the internet, to the cloud. So this particular customer on this beautiful vehicle is going to be able to remotely access the footage from the dash camera in real time, as well as access any notifications if anybody impacts this vehicle. So let me just go through exactly what we've done in the back. There's the Starry Night headliner. That's a factory option. We did not do that, but there's the rear camera centrally mounted on the rear window. And here's the front body camera mounted off to the right-hand side of the center stack cluster on the windshield of the vehicle. The TWA LTE is located in the glove box. That's where the SIM card is based. And as you can see, I've got the boxes that we're going to give back to the client here. That would be the packaging for the Autowatch Ghost, which I'm just going to demonstrate how that works right now. I'm just going to close this door. As it's a Rolls-Royce, it closes automatically. Pretty cool when your doors close on their own. So I've got the key wrapped in plastic so we don't scratch it because it's got the same leather on the back of it. And I'm just gonna hop in the vehicle and I'm gonna demonstrate on this particular vehicle what the Autowatch Ghost does in terms of immobilization. So basically right now, if I try to start the vehicle, you can see it cranks, but it won't start. So on this particular vehicle, it's a little bit different than other vehicles. We prevent this vehicle from starting with the Autowatch Ghost. And on other vehicles, we do allow the car to start for things like factory remote start to function. But on this particular vehicle, we prevent it from starting completely. If the customer were to get into the vehicle, they would have to push the ignition button, the engine start button, 3 times to turn the ignition on. They have to enter their secure PIN code or be carrying the Bluetooth key tag, which will authorize them to be able to start the vehicle and disarm the Ghost. Every time they get in and out of this vehicle, the Autowatch Ghost will arm, and every time they get in, they have to disarm it. So again, here's this beautifully vivid orange interior. It's a crazy car. It's absolutely insane in terms of what this looks like and what it feels like. But this is basically the steering wheel. And again, all the boxes that you saw. And let me just show you the dash camera. That's essentially where it's been mounted, how it's been wired. All of the paneling has been safely taken on and off, or very carefully taken on and off. Fits perfectly and no scratches or any damage. And essentially, I'll show you a view of the Starry Night, which is very cool. And I hope you enjoyed the Ghost on the Ghost by Lockdown Security. Oh, I thought it was going to close itself. Beautiful emblem. And again, guys, it's winter, so I apologize if the car is dirty, but obviously this vehicle is being driven in the month of February 2026. Thanks for watching. If you or someone you know is looking to add a Ghost to their Ghost, feel free to reach out, 1-866-824-4118. If you have any vehicle and you want to secure it against theft, let us know. www.lockdownsecurity.ca, sales@lockdownsecurity.ca. Visit us on the web and hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this in the future. Thanks.